It's Tucker. Welcome today to class. All right, so today we're going to get to know our classmates a little bit better. So what qualities do our classmates bring to a group and what makes them good lab partners? So today we're going to conduct lab partner interviews. In Schoology, you will locate a form. It's a Word document that says lab partner interview. When you open that up, you can actually see the questions that you can ask your lab partners. I will also provide to you a hard copy of this sheet because you know what? I like to write those questions down. You're going to be asked these questions and you're going to ask individuals these questions. So go ahead and spend a couple of minutes and just think through what would be your answers to these questions. Now that you've considered all the questions on this interview sheet, think about what would be probably the most important question. Now that you've looked at all the questions that are on this interview sheet, consider what is the most important question. Or two, what do you think you want to ask your peers to figure out who's going to be the best lab partner? Now, just like we did yesterday in our rotations and our speed friending, we're going to do the same thing. You're going to ask these questions to the your lab partners. If you were a 1 yesterday, you are now a 2. And if you were a 2 yesterday, you're now a 1. So that means that if you were sitting at the table yesterday and asking the questions and you stayed, you're now a floater and you get to move. And what we're going to do is we're going to spend about 2 minutes. You're going to go and ask the most important question to the individuals. And you're going to spend about 2 minutes at each table and you're going to interview each person. And remember, you're going to go from table 1 to table 2 to table 3, so on and so forth. Once you get to table 14, you're going to go back to table 1. Once you get through the interview, you're going to want to make sure you jot down who had really good answers and who would you want on your team. Because you're going to go into Schoology and fill out a Google form. And you're going to communicate to me, hey, I really want this person on my team. So think about this as you're recruiting your team members. Have fun.